Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some top tips that's going to help you increase the volume of your iPhone and then also sound quality. This is actually going to help you in many ways. So let's dive into this video. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is you need to go to your sounds and haptics right here, and then you just scroll down a bit, and then you're going to see volume limits right here. So you tap on volume limits, and then you can see we have limit maximum volume. You can choose to turn it on if only your volume is actually not functioning very well for you and you feel like you want to increase it, and then you can just adjust it to where you feel is going to be very okay for you. So if you feel 90% is actually very good for you, you keep it there, and then it's actually going to help boost your sound or volume when you are going to get a phone call, the ringtone, how it's going to sound to you, and then also when you are listening to music from the speakers of the phone. So the next I'm going to share with you is within the same sounds and haptics. You see the setting right here, reduce loud sound. When you tap on this one right here, you turn it on, it's actually going to reduce loud sound. So you need to just turn it off so that it doesn't reduce any sound that is coming out of your phone. So the next thing I'm going to share with you is when you go to your applications and then you go to your music app. If you have any app you use in listening to music, you can do the same thing I'm going to share with you right here, and then you scroll down right here, you're going to see cellular streaming. You tap on it and then you make sure it's on high quality, which is going to give you the very clear sound that is coming out of your phone or your music app. So you can see right here, when you put it on high efficiency with low data usage, it's actually not going to give you much quality like how you're going to get when you put it on high quality. So this is where you need to have it in order to just get some high quality sound coming out of your phone, and that is basically very cool. So the next I'm going to share with you is with the headphones. So if you have an Apple AirPods, or maybe you have any other headphones like a Sony or JBL, you need to just make sure you have the settings on. So you need to go to accessibilities, and then you scroll down to audios and visuals right here, you tap on it, and then you tap on headphone accommodation. You make sure you turn this on, and then you're going to see some set of settings right here. So you're going to see slight, moderate, and then strong. When you choose to put it right here, it's actually going to increase the sound you are going to hear from your headphones. So if you feel your headphones is not really the one you feel like you want, I mean the sound that is coming out of it is not something that is what you like, you can just come here and then adjust it and then make sure it sounds perfect like how you want it to sound. And then also you can play with the settings right here, brightness, vocal range, and then balance tone to see how best it's actually going to serve you with the volume you are wishing to get. So another thing you need to just check also with the headphones is when you come to the settings right here, like where we were already, that is going to be sounds and haptics. You scroll down, you're going to see headphone safety right here. You tap on headphone safety, you make sure you turn on this right here, and then you just turn this on right here to make sure it's loud. So you can see right here, as loud as an ambulance siren. This is actually going to make your phone very, very loud. So if you feel you're not going to be able to handle it, you can just put it back. And if your phone is actually not really giving you the best quality of sound, or maybe the high sound quality you feel like you want, you can just adjust these settings and it's actually going to help you. Last but not least is an application I just want to share with you guys, which is called Bass Booster Volume Boost EQ. So this application is actually going to make you get volume adjusted in your Apple Music, any other application right here, or if you have music downloaded from the internet to your phone, you can just import the sound right here, and then when you are playing the song, you can adjust the volume right here. So when you hit on it like this, and then you come to the music player this way, you can tap on the volume booster, and then you're just going to increase the volume over here in order to be able to just listen to your song very, very loud and clear per how you want it. So these are my tips I want to share with you on how you're going to be able to just increase the volume of your iPhone. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions to that will also enlighten people, just let us know in the comment section, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.